Hi friends, my name is David Lopez and I'm a celebrity hairstylist, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly hold your T3 curl ID to get the perfect style every single time. So first things first, I've already programmed my T3 curl ID. I am actually at a 1 with this hair because it is processed, it's lightened, it's a fine texture, and you'll see even at a 1, it's still working beautifully. Now, when you are holding your iron, if this is your first time using a curling iron like this, or using a clip iron, one of the biggest tips that I can give you is to watch this video and practice these techniques with the iron off. I know what it's like. You usually try the iron, you turn it on, and you start curling, you get a little kink in it or a little fish hook, and then you're just like, I give up, I can't do it, but I promise you, I have all the faith in you. Just like anything else in life, a little bit of practice makes perfect. So just doing regular waves, I'm gonna whip right through this look. There are a ton of tutorials on T3's Instagram as well as mine on how to do the waves, but I wanna give you a couple of key things to remember while you are holding your iron. So as you can see, I'm holding it, and you can see the palm of my hand is facing the side of the iron. So I'm not holding it here, I'm holding it off to the side, and I have made my thumb right in the middle here. So this is exactly how I like to hold the iron. So try not to hold the iron here by the base. What I do is I keep my grip nice and light, and I'm just going to use my thumb to really open and control the clip right there. And remember, this is a cool tip, so you can always just rest your finger here on the very top and give yourself some more stability. So one of the things I want you to remember while you're curling, you're noticing how light the grip is while I'm holding the iron. You notice I'm not holding it very tightly. I'm keeping a nice light grip and keeping my hand and my palm away from that home screen. So you see my fingers are just resting lightly, and then I'm able to really stabilize. And again, try this with the iron off if you're something new to this. And once you feel like very comfortable with it, then you can turn on your iron to your heat ID setting, and then you can go for it. And you'll notice that just with those 1, 2, 3, 4 sections, I was able to give myself really quick waves, really undone, beachy texture that people love to do, so you don't have to spend a ton of time curling your hair. And even at a heat ID of 1, I was able to get these really nice waves out of my hair in really, really big sections. So now I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Notice how I'm holding the iron. I have my pointer finger and my middle finger right on the clip, using it to open, and then my palm never fully rests on that home screen. If you are using it and you hear that home screen unlock, it's very, very simple. Just double tap it again, the little power button, and it will relock. But if you're holding it this way, it shouldn't be a problem. One of the last things I want you to notice is as I'm curling my hair is how I gently open the clip as I slide it through the ends. Because the ceramic plates are so nice and smooth, you can really almost utilize it a little bit like a flat iron to really help smooth and seal the moisture into those ends. So see, I'm just gently opening the clip, very gently, and sliding the ends through, just like that. All done. And that is it, my beautiful friends. All the tips and tricks I have on how to use the T3 Curl ID. I'm so excited for you to get your hands on this and try it yourself at home. Make sure you tag T3 in your looks at T3 Micro on Instagram. I can't wait for you to get this in your hands. Talk to you soon.